Next on the list is 1956 Ford Customline Victoria, two-door hardtop. Mandarin Orange and Colonial White over orange and white. It's a good-looking car.
Like your shirt.
Yeah, like my shirt. So I planned it that way. It was,
beautiful car.
Yeah, 312 cubic inch V8, Ford-O-Matic automatic. Great 50s color.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, really, that's about as good as it gets.
Hate to overuse the word iconic.
I know.
It is.
I know. We do that a lot.
It is iconic.
But it's all right. It's an older restoration, but it means you can just drive it and enjoy it.
Looks great.
And if you get a chip on it,
So what? Won't be the first one.
No big deals.